It's great to have your company watching Esther from Stampinstarcreations. I'm an independent Stampin Up demonstrator in the UK. I'll be using the Birthday Jubilee stamp set, and I'm laying my stamps in the stamparatus, and then we're going to be using stamps on blocks later. So you position your stamp, pick it up with the window, and then I'm going in with early espresso ink to stamp my image. Turning my paper around, I wanted a mirror image, so I position the card in the same place, and I soon realised when I go to stamp it, no, it's not in the same place at all, so I have to nudge it over a bit. If you want a precise place, the best thing to probably do is to use a scrap piece of paper, fold that in half and in half again to find the centre, or you can measure it. Using the happy birthday sentiment from the set, and the great thing about this is you can pull out the windows, turn it round, and then you've got another stamping surface. I love these kind of diamondy cross shapes in here. It really lends itself for my retro card. So stamping all over, making sure I'm coming right to the edge of the paper to look like a continuous print. Then going in with some more details, these little star shapes around the actual flowers. I'm going in with a group of blends to colour these in. Now you'll see me colouring in one set of flowers first before I colour in the second set. I'm just making up the colours as I go along and figuring out my way around with the colours that I'm using. So pumpkin pie initially for the main flower in the centre. Bringing in Daffodil Delight, just keeping to a colour theme of oranges, yellows and browns. Then adding in the bronze, just highlighting the leaves. And then going in with the dark crumb cake just to add some detail and some shading. And then because I know now at this stage that I want all those star shapes in the colour, I can just colour over them with my pen. The great thing about the blends is that you can colour over existing lettering. It's not just for colouring in. So again, I'm using the crumb cake to highlight the letters for the happy birthday. And then I decided to make these stand out a bit and pop. I'm going to dot around the dotted details, turning my work around and then just filling in the other side. Now this needed trimming down because I wanted a double border on my card to add a couple of colours. As you can see, I've cut out the centre. This is what I tend to do to save on card and to cut down on the bulk once the card is made up. Using multi-liquid purpose glue and just sticking that into place. I think it looks really fun on that double layer. I felt like it just needed something extra, so I'm bringing in this lovely ribbon from the Magnolia Lane suite and just trimming it down to size to fit on the side of my card because I still had a lot of white space on that side. Using a glue dot to adhere that into place. So this can look completely different in different colours, but I like the retro look, very 70s. And just to remind you, I've used the pumpkin pie, Daffodil Delight in dark and light, the bronze, and then the dark crumb cake blend. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a good